Aster Stage 2 is here, and I'm going to talk to you guys about what it is and why it is important for the project. Hey guys, Foxy's Trading here, back with another crypto video for you guys, and today we are talking about Aster. More importantly, we are talking about the Stage 2 airdrop that has launched, right? So I actually made a video about this on Friday, but then Trump manipulated the market, and I was like, it doesn't feel right posting it and announcing, what they're doing while Trump is dumping the market and people are getting scared and they're panicking. So I was like, I'll delay it. Now I'm remaking it for you guys. So I'm going to talk about what this is. We're going to look at market structure, right? I'm going to explain why this happened, Mr. Trump's manipulation, and then we'll call it a day for today's video. And if any of you don't know what Aster is, it is basically an exchange where you can trade. That's the simplest way I can put it. And their whole thing is that they have a 1,000 to 1 leverage. Many prop firms and exchanges are usually like 1 to 100, 1 to 200. I've seen a few that are 1 to 500, but not many 1 to 1,000, right? And they also have an insane amount of trading volume. So the Stage 2, for anybody that is wondering, it is part of their distribution and rewards program. So in this phase, a portion of Aster's supply, it's actually located for us, the users, for performing certain activities. Instead of just simply holding Aster, right? So it's designed to reward real participations, things like trading, holding positions, using certain assets, engaging in referrals, stuff like that, right? So the airdrop, it uses a specific point system. I think it was called RH point system from what I remember. Yeah, RH points, right? So it makes your score, and then based off that score, you'll get the amount of airdrop, right? So if you want to fully read about it, you can on their Twitter. And also something that is good is that they were having some problems with some unexpected claims and things like that. There was a lot of user errors, and they have now fixed it. Right, so on October 13th, which is today's date when I am recording, they have actually fixed this, so everything is now live, and it should be good for everybody. So we'll look at CoinMarketCap, then we'll look at the price, and then we'll call it a day, right? So it's up 16% in the last 7 days, down slightly in volume, and down in price 30%, right? We are 72% bullish from what I remember, and I wish I could because I don't want to lie to you guys. I'm pretty sure we are up a lot more bullish on the community than the last video I made last week. So yeah, maybe people are starting to believe in the project more. I said it was a medium risk. Some people were calling it pump and dump because of how quickly it rose and it came to become a project. I don't think so. I don't think it is a pump and dump, right? They haven't done anything for me to believe that. Massive exchanges here. So it is all looking pretty healthy, pretty good. And I'm actually quite bullish after Mr. Trump did this. And the reason he did it is simple. He liquidated all of these buys right over here if there was any stops below here, right? So a very simple way I can show you guys is on another pair called SEI. He basically liquidated everybody that had their stop losses over here, and over here, right? So he was just manipulating the market however he pleased, and we just have to basically follow that, right? We have to adapt. But what I didn't want to see is us closing below this imbalance in price, and we didn't. We're holding strong. And I still think this area is a fantastic area to buy. So if price comes back to here and you don't own Aster and you think it is a good project, I would personally buy. And then the next area of resistance that we will have is this area right over here. And after this area has been taken and something like this, then I see all-time highs coming very, very soon. So we'll see how Aster plays out in the next couple of days. I'm very happy that we did not close below this area. Then I would be a little bit scared. So yeah, and then we had a nice bullish push. So we'll see. We'll keep up to date with price. It is looking pretty good. If you look at the 4 hourly, right after all this, you can see we are trending upwards and we are pretty bullish. We are making higher highs and higher lows. So I would say we are bullish. We are looking good. Aster is looking good. And yeah, hopefully there was going to be some more updates and things like that so I can share it with you guys. If you like the video, make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe. It means a lot. Do your own research, guys. I'm not a financial advisor, and I'll see everybody in the next video.